Welcome. Let's begin this guided meditation by taking a moment to center ourselves. Find a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. As you inhale, feel your chest expanding, filling your lungs with fresh air. And as you exhale, release any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Remember, what your mind can imagine, it can achieve. Today, we'll embark on a journey to cultivate abundance in every aspect of your life. Imagine a radiant ball of golden light above your head. This light represents the abundance that surrounds you and flows through you. With each breath, visualize this light descending from above, bathing your entire body in its warm, glowing energy. Feel it penetrating every cell, filling you with a sense of abundance and possibility. As the light continues to surround you, bring your awareness to different parts of your body. Feel the light traveling down from your head, through your neck and shoulders, down your arms to your fingertips. Sense the warmth spreading through your chest, abdomen, and back. Let it flow down through your hips, thighs, knees, and calves, all the way to your toes. Allow every part of you to be infused with the energy of abundance. Now, take a moment to identify any limiting beliefs or doubts that may be holding you back from experiencing abundance. Picture them as heavy chains wrapped around your body. With each exhale, imagine releasing these chains, allowing them to fall away, leaving you feeling lighter and freer. Know that you have the power to let go of anything that no longer serves you and to create the life of your dreams. Tap into the limitless power of your imagination. Visualize yourself living the life of abundance you desire. See yourself surrounded by loving relationships, abundant opportunities, and financial prosperity. Feel the excitement and joy bubbling up within you as you realize that this life is within your reach, simply waiting for you to claim it. Imagine the abundance of love and connection that exists within your relationships. See yourself surrounded by supportive family and friends who lift you up and celebrate your successes. Feel the deep sense of gratitude for the abundance of love that fills your life, knowing that you're worthy of receiving it in abundance. Visualize a steady stream of abundance flowing into your life in the form of money and financial opportunities. See yourself effortlessly manifesting wealth and prosperity, knowing that there is more than enough to meet all of your needs and desires. Feel the confidence and security that comes from knowing that abundance is your birthright. Visualize yourself thriving in your career or profession. See yourself excelling in your field, achieving your goals, and being recognized for your talents and contributions. Picture abundant opportunities coming your way, leading to career advancement, fulfillment, and financial abundance. Feel the excitement and satisfaction of knowing that you're living your purpose and making a positive impact in the world through your work. Now shift your focus to your health and well being. Visualize yourself vibrant, energized, and radiating with vitality. See your body filled with vibrant health, every cell pulsating with life and vitality. Picture yourself engaging in activities that nourish your body, mind, and spirit, such as exercise, healthy eating, and self care practices. Feel a deep sense of gratitude for your health and vitality, knowing that it is the foundation upon which you build your abundant life. Visualize yourself engaged in acts of kindness and service to others. See yourself extending a helping hand, offering support, and making a positive difference in the lives of those around you. Picture abundance flowing from your heart, enriching the lives of others and creating a ripple effect of kindness and generosity. Feel the joy and fulfillment that comes from giving selflessly, knowing that the more you give, the more abundance you receive in return. As we conclude, let's affirm our connection to abundance in every aspect of our lives, including our relationships, career, health, and service to others. Repeat after me. I am surrounded by abundance in every area of my life, including my relationships, career, health, and service to others. Abundance flows through me and manifests in all aspects of my life, enriching the lives of those around me. I am achieving success and fulfillment in my career, making a positive impact and receiving abundant rewards. I am vibrant, healthy, and full of vitality, nurturing my body, mind, and spirit with love and care. I am serving others with kindness and compassion, making a positive difference in the world and receiving abundant blessings in return. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and take a deep breath to recenter yourself. Carry the feeling of abundance in every area of your life with you as you go about your day. Remember that you are capable of creating a life filled with joy, purpose, and abundance.